Hi friends, summer is here, and Maya's ready for a new adventure at the Python programming camp. She'll start her journey into the amazing world of Python. Let's learn to code together and see what amazing things we can create. Python is a powerful programming language, perfect for beginners. It's like a toolbox filled with all the tools you need to create anything, from simple programs to complex systems. Today, Maya will learn how it's used in web development, machine learning, robotics, and even game creation. The first step is to set up Python. Download Python from the official website. Now, it's time to explore the Python Integrated Development Environment, IDE. Starting with IDLE, Python's own editor, perfect for beginners. Then, comes Visual Studio Code, a favorite among developers for its advanced features and extensions, ideal for bigger projects. Time for the very first program. Type print, hello, world, into IDLE and run it. The words, hello, world, appear on the screen. That is the start for any programmer to start coding. Now, it's time to learn about Python's core vocabulary, keywords like def, if, and print. These are special words in Python that you can't use to name variables. Variables are essential in Python, like labeled boxes to store data. Maya creates a variable named favorite_chocolate and assigns it the value, KitKat. Then she prints this variable to see the result. Now for a quick activity. Maya creates a variable with today's date and prints it. It's a fun way to see how variables work in real-time coding. In Python, data types are categories of data that tell the computer what kind of value is being stored and how it can be used. You have strings for text, integers and floats for numbers, and booleans for true or false. Operators are used to perform calculations and comparisons. There are arithmetic operators for math, like plus for addition and minus for subtraction. Then we have comparison operators like equals to check if two things are equal. Finally, there are logical operators like and, or, and, not, that help you evaluate multiple conditions or check the inverse of a condition. It's been a productive day at Coding Camp. From installing Python to creating variables and using operators. Hoping you also learned along with Maya and had an amazing learning day. Thanks for joining the Python camp today. Keep practicing, and who knows what amazing things you'll create next. Happy coding!